Hi, my name's John. This is the first Sunday of July, so it's time for my free monthly draw. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer and see if I can find a winner. Okay, something I can't pronounce, 7867. All you need to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there, and I'll get those prizes posted off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway for this month. This will be actually giveaway 7. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is obviously watch the video, what you're doing now, like and subscribe to my channel. In the comment box, you need to write the following comment. You can write anything you want, but it must include this phrase: 2025 give away 7. All lowercase, no full stops, no nothing, simple as that. 2025 give away 7. My computer will pull that out of I don't know how it works, but anyway, it'll find that in the comments and then pick out a winner, simple as that. I'm going to show the prizes now for this month's draw. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. We've got a double boost cap. I must get some more these embroidered and put back in eBay. I've been getting asked about them. Got a nice set of Kennedy feeler gauges. Feeler gauges are still quite useful. I use mine quite a lot. Little deburring tool there from my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma. And the new thing, it's actually an MT3 moist taper cleaner cum protector. I've showed how they work. They're really good. You put them into the taper, turn it, and it pulls all the shite out. People ask why I show the prizes on my lathe. It's quite simple. My benches are covered in shite.